everyone, my name is Jen and welcome to this spooky Halloween tutorial look. I'm doing kind of a knife with blood dripping down kind of look today, and I had a lot of fun creating this look, so stay tuned if you want to get these spooky vibes for spooky season. I don't know what to say about my brows. In person, they look even and symmetrical, but on camera, at least in my monitor, this one looks so much thinner than this one, but they don't look that way in real life and I hate it. I'm gonna start this look off by going into the Sample Beauty Cult palette. None of these shades have names, so I'm just going in with this black shade down here. I'm using this small tapered unnamed Morphe brush, and I'm just gonna stamp it on the outside of my lid. At last minute decided I wanted a really cut angle, so I'm going to add some tape really quickly. Cool. Hurts to blink with the tape on. Ugh. So I shaped the shadow in a way where that it kind of looks like just a, what's that word for the shape? That kind of diamond shape where it's like, and then angle, and then angle, and then where the two sides are angled and then the top and the bottom are straight. You all know what I'm talking about. It's supposed to look like that when I'm looking down, but when I look up, it looks like the perfect wing. But that is it for the black shadow for now. I'm gonna go into the brand new Nikkie Tutorials X Beauty Bay Pressed Pigment palette, and I'm gonna be using this purple darker shade called Slasher. I'm gonna use this Morphe M124 and Slasher, and I'm just gonna put it all on the border of that black shadow. I'm gonna go back into the Sample Beauty Cult palette and darken this up a little bit more. Alright, I darkened it up and faded out Slasher a little bit more. So now I'm going to go back in with the Beauty Bay palette and Nikkie Tutorials. I'm gonna use this shade called Basic Toot, which is like basic in, I know she's from Holland. Dutch? I think it's Dutch. I was gonna say Scandinavian, but that didn't sound right. And I'm gonna use this Morphe M506. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the tape off now. Clean cut lines are so satisfying. Ugh, but it hurts my eyeballs. So I'm gonna try and do my face now and then see where I wanna take this look next. So, 1 second. Face is done. I'm gonna continue on with the eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna put on some silver liner, wing it out. I'm using the Melt Cosmetics gel liner in the shade OK Boomer. And I'm just going in with this really small, there's makeup all over it, I can't read the number, Morphe 250-0, and it's just a really super small pencil brush. And since it's a gel pot, I don't need to add water to it or anything. It's just ready to go. Got the silver liner on, and now I'm going to use, don't have any actual red liner, so I'm going to use this Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lip in the shade Red Rum. Brush a little bit onto the back of my hand. And I'm going to take another Morphe M250-0 to paint little blood drips coming off of this silver liner. Ooh, but first, actually, whoa. I'm going to go back into the Nikki Tutorials palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Mikai and do undershadow. I'm going to use two brushes for this. I'm going to use this shade, Morphe E36, to apply it. And I'm going to use this one, another 506, to blend it out. There we go. Now I'm going to draw the blood. Alright, got blood dripping down the silver wing blade. So I'm going to attempt to put red glitter on it using the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Hypnotize palette. Just going to be using this pure red glitter shade. Just on the blood drips, not really on the shadow. First, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive. This Morphe x Jeffree Star JS14 pencil brush. Was going to use my other Morphe brush, but it's kind of fanned out and won't, and I don't want that. I want something a little more pencil thin. To actually apply the glitter, I'm going to use this Morphe M217. That turned out exactly like I wanted it. Gonna do a quick speed through about me applying liner and lashes, and then you'll watch me put on some lipstick and highlighter, because I don't know what highlighter I want to use yet. Okay, for an inner corner highlight, I'm going to use an indie brand single shade. It's from Terra Moon Cosmetics. This shade is called Red Giant, and it is just a really pretty red reflecting kind of shadow. I'm going to apply it to my inner corner and right beneath my brow bone with this Morphe M124. I don't have a metallic pan to hold all my single shadows, so I just keep them in their things until I can get something metallic. The perfect inner corner highlight for any red or pink look. Wonderful. Now what highlighter do I want to use? I'm gonna try to use that shadow for a highlighter too. So I'm gonna go in with this super fluffy Morphe X Coca-Cola brush. Oh, this was the right choice. I can't see it in my monitor, but I can see it in person. That's the most important part. Oh my gosh. All right, to finish off this spooky look, what else to apply other than some black lipstick? This is the KVD Vegan Beauty lipstick shade in the shade called Witches, and let's go. Alright, let me just finish off this look. Here we go. Ready to go. Thank you all for sitting through my tutorial of this very spooky, witchy kind of look. I had a lot of fun doing it. I don't wear black lipstick very often, but it's always fun when I get to do so. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave this video a like, and if you're not subscribed, then you should subscribe right now. I try to post content every week, but sometimes, you know, life happens and I can't get to posting. But I appreciate everyone for being patient and still supporting me. Thank you once again. Stay spooky and stay blazed.